How to turn off dark mode on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. This page allows you to adjust the screen brightness, switch between light and dark appearance, enable True Tone, and configure other display-related settings. Here, go to the Appearance section at the top. As you can see, your phone is now in dark mode. If you want to change it to light mode, then select Light as shown. You have now successfully changed your phone to light mode. Go back to view all the pages on your phone in light mode. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily turn off dark mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.